Hi, how are you? Okay, this is Enrique from Cancun, Mexico. I have my GoPro Hero 10 here, okay, and I wanted to control it. So I went to Best Buy to get the remote from GoPro. It's kind of expensive, so I get this one from Yoctop. Okay, it's beautiful, works nice, seems to work nice, and it's pairing okay. As you can see, okay, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm going down here, connections. Okay, no, that one here. Connect this equipment. I'm gonna turn on my Yoctop. Press menu, pair. I go pair. And then here the remote, and it says successful, connection successful, it's paired, okay? So now it's working, okay? I can change from photo to, oh, hold on, press, okay, it's finished, okay. Video, photo, night lapse, time lapse, or whatever, okay? So it's working good from now here. So now if I turn it off, it turns off. And for example, if I want to turn it back on, it won't back on. Look. It says press menu. It's supposed to be looking for the camera, but it's not finding any camera. So I need to start all over again to pair the remote with the camera. If anyone can help me out here, I would really appreciate. I don't know what's going on. So in this case, I have to turn it back on here. Go here, here, here. Connect the remote, and instantly it works. See? But if I turn it off, and if I want to turn it back on, nothing. So I need some of your help. Appreciate it.